Got my cold brew here. Out here in La Jolla. The living room coffee house, cold brew. Little non-fat milk in there. Little sweetener. Get this guy going. I'm out here on a ride today with Matt. I don't really have a topic for the blog. I think I'm just gonna chit-chat. There's the living room right there. Looks like Matt's rolling up right now. I can hear another Harley. There we go. All right, here we go. Up Coast Highway. Just had some coffee here. We're heading out of La Jolla. So this is La Jolla. All the little nice little beach shops around here. Actually is starting to pick back up, and like density was really quiet around here because of COVID, and then I think it's picking back up. You know, you're not seeing the parking empty. Let's see here. Things that you might want to know about La Jolla. A lot of rich people live here. Apparently Mitt Romney has a house here. Dr. Seuss, man. Dr. Seuss lives here. Dr. Seuss lives here. Yeah, it was actually a big controversy. He had his Lorax stolen right from his yard. You believe that? Someone stole the Lorax from Dr. Seuss. Crazy. All right. Here we are. UCSD, the University of California, San Diego, right outside of La Jolla. We're riding around here and thinking about all this construction, and I'm like, what are they building all this for? They're going to be all online this semester, this fall semester, from what I understand. And you know, I guess there's still a lot of people here, though. UCSD's medical research facilities cranking away, working on all different projects, but definitely coronavirus, I would assume. But just, I don't know, makes me think about my time in college and what it would have been like if I had to do everything online the entire time. Thanks. Matt giving me crap because I didn't have it in first gear and I tried to take off. Whatever, man. We all make mistakes. Leave me alone. This is really nice. There's going to be a good strip of road right beyond here as we drop into Torrey Pines. I always hit every red light, though. I hit every single red light in this place. Guaranteed. Right up here. And of course, another red light. Yeah, first gear helps.
He's gonna take some video of you.
All right. Yeah, I have the video here too. I'm recording right now.
Don't forget to delete that part about the
Yeah. That's gonna get edited out for sure. Yeah, I got them. Here we go. All right. Oh, all the lights, all the red lights. Which one do you want, dude? Coming through Torrey Pines right now. This is gonna spit us right out onto the coast. Torrey Pines being the famous golf course where some famous golf tournament takes place annually. There it is, the Pacific Ocean. It's kind of sad, they closed off all the parking. You can't even go park into the parking lot in here anymore. They don't want people gathering. But look, they're gonna do it anyways. They got their RVs out, hanging out. It's kind of overcast today, but that's kind of good because we had a lot of really hot days out here. 100 degrees plus in some areas. So I'm actually, I'm okay with the overcast. Alright. Coming into Del Mar now. See what's going on. I think they're closed. It looks like they are. Oh, it's this place right here. Normally they'll have like bikes lined up out here when they're open. Yeah. I don't really know the history of this place, to be honest with you. I just, like I said, I come out here every once in a while whenever I'm down Coast Highway to see what's up. Yep, they're closed. All right. Seaweed and gravel. They want you to go to Viewpoint Brew. Odd. Yeah. Yep. It's sad to see businesses close like this. Good local small businesses. All right. Getting ready to drop into Carlsbad. You can see the energy plant right there. There's towers from it. Next stop, Senor Grubby's. Super stoked on that. Still loving this Vance&hines exhaust. I mean, I could not just be more happier with my purchase. I can't say that enough. I'll probably have many videos talking about this, and I think my channel already looks like a Vance&hines commercial, but it's good stuff, man, and I'm not afraid to say it. I'm not, you know, they're certainly not paying me to say it. Love these houses that you see right here along the coast. Just beautiful houses. I love it. Everyone's got an American flag up, flying it proud. It's awesome, man. Coming up on the lagoon up here. Be a lagoon on the right where they rent out like jet skis and all sorts of stuff. You just whip around in there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Oh, I'm ready for the senior grubbies, man. I need to get like some tacos or something. I haven't had tacos in forever. Really excited about getting some tacos right now. What kind of tacos? What kind of tacos? Pollo, carne asada, adobada, carnitas. What kind of tacos am I gonna get? I want all the tacos.
She gave me fake information.
Right, what do we got here?
Like I did that. And it was the first time I've been
Street tacos.
So like, what do I do? Like, oh, insurance. Like, I didn't think, like, take a
Right
picture,
there,
like,
3 tacos on the side.
That's a rough lesson to learn, that's for sure. I've also found out I had really shitty insurance.
That's it right there.
Foremost. Yeah, that's why I want to be away from it. That's what I have with my electric. I've been worried, but
I would like a burrito, but no.
$2,000 for insurance.
There's some good burritos here. This is Carlsbad El Pastor, Pico de Gallo, French fries, piña, and Mexican cheese. What? That's awesome.
I've been riding less than a year.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
So I got close when I've been riding. Yeah. Come back time.
All right, thank you. Are we? Yeah.
Did you guys want waters too? It's a little sunny out here.
Please. All right, let's see.
So once I did that, she's like, by the way, she's like, you have like absolutely no personal coverage.
Traditional, yeah. All right, what do we got here? Looks like some carne asada and some. That looks like the carnitas and pollo asada. That's it. There we go. And some fries. Ready to do this. The only thing I'm missing is some guacamole. Let's get it. All right. Some good grub at Senior Grubbies. Now we're back on the road. Gonna head east out to Biggs Harley-Davidson, San Marcos. Oh man, Carlsbad. I used to live here. I lived here for a hot minute with my wife. I lived in this little tiny studio a couple blocks from here. It was nice. I could walk to my favorite bar, drink, not have to worry about getting a ride home because I could just walk home. It was nice, but expensive. Real expensive. I pay less in my mortgage where I live than I did in a rent for just a tiny little studio. That's a beer buffet. It's a buffet, but for beer. Yeah, I'm serious. You just walk around and you go to different taps and pour yourself a beer, and you wear this like little RFID, I think it's RFID chip, and you get your beer through them, and it charges you by the end of the day. It's really cool, really cool. Try a lot of different beers. Homemade ice cream, yep. Oh, it's been so long since I've been down here. Look at this Mini. Look at this. That's cool. I love those classic Minis. Right. Well, that was it for the coast for today. We're gonna head out to Biggs Harley-Davidson, San Marcos, and see what's going on over there.